I love West Virginia. I've lived here my entire life. I love the mountains. I love being in the forests. Most of all, I love the people. West Virginians are the most caring, giving people I know.
Kevin Burgess has been doing personal injury law for over 40 years. He knows everything about it. I've spent my entire career doing nothing but bankruptcy and fighting unscrupulous debt collectors and bad banks.
Our financial situation was basically going in the tank. My biggest fear at the time was losing everything, losing the house, losing my family. I considered filing bankruptcy. I had seen some advertisements and heard about Hamilton Burgess, and I decided to give them a call. The treatment I received from Hamilton Burgess was excellent. They kept me posted on what activities were being done and what progress had been made. And I have recommended several people to Hamilton, Burgess, Young, and Pollard.
Boss wanted us to change out a piece of pipe on the 4th floor of the prep plant. I stuck the torch down. As soon as the bolt turned red, I hit the oxygen. It was just like a big explosion. And when it exploded, I jumped. That's the worst pain I'd ever been in my life. Not being able to work. I got kids, family. What am I gonna do? That was my biggest fear, of losing everything I had. I talked to my wife, and she actually found Kevin. She looked him up online. He always called me and told me what he was doing, when he was doing it. Having Kevin and his team on my side, I would highly recommend them to anyone.
I know that every time I represent a client, they are fighting a battle they can't win themselves. They are going up against companies that have almost unlimited resources just to fight these people who just want a fair shake.
For about a century and a half now, industries have come in, they have pillaged our natural resources, they have used and abused the workers and then cast them aside when they were done. It's time we turn that around. At Hamilton, Burgess, Young, and Pollard, we take the legal burden off your back and put it on ours.